In this video, you will be shown how to connect your bank and credit card accounts to QuickBooks so you can keep track and categorize your bank transactions. To start, click on Banking from the left menu and then click Connect Account. You can also upload transactions manually, but you only need to use this function if your bank or credit card does not support QuickBooks. Now, QuickBooks shows us a couple of popular choices in this bottom area. But you can also type the name or URL of your bank in this search bar. Once you have selected your bank, you will be asked to enter your username and password that you use for your online banking. On this page, click on Agree to consent to connecting your bank account to QuickBooks. Then, QuickBooks creates a secure connection to your bank. At this stage, you may be asked to enter additional sign-in information. Just follow the on-screen instructions as required. QuickBooks allows you to connect to multiple accounts linked to the same account or credit card. On this page, choose the bank accounts you want to connect. You can select multiple accounts at the same time. Let's select the current account already set up for this first one. But for the second one, let's enter a new account. This allows you to set up a bank type account on your chart of accounts directly through this window. For detail type, let's select Savings and then Save and Close. QuickBooks downloads up to 90 days of transactions. However, you can import a shorter period of time. Once you are happy, simply click Connect. Now we wait for QuickBooks to download your bank transactions. And you're all set. You have now successfully connected your bank account to your QuickBooks account. If you want to connect more bank accounts at a later date, simply click on Add Account on the banking page. Now get started.